We're going to go through this bike together. So on the right handlebar control, we've got our heated grips, high, low, and off. Behind that, we're going to have our mode selection button. So look on the bottom left, we've got road, dynamic, dynamic pro, rain, and back to road. As you come across the left handlebar switch, we're going to have our ABS and traction control button. We can turn off our ABS and traction control. We have our DDC suspension. So we can go in and change our suspension damping from road to dynamic. You can hold the button and change from single up to 2 up riding. Back to single up. Then we have cruise control, horn, turn signals, high beams, and trigger switch up top, and your trip and info buttons right here. Trip's going to give you range, your odometer, then range in trip 1 and trip 2, and your average miles per gallon, average miles per hour, and back to your odometer. Then we can go into our info, and that'll take us to race info. We'll enter that, and that's giving us our lap timer information with best, last, total, delete, laps, best ever lap, and we're going to get out of that bad boy with hold of the exit button right here. Then we can go into our setup menu and enter into our setup menu. That's going to take us into setting up equipment first. Set up the equipment. We got our timepiece. We got the brightness of the screen, turning our lamps on for track days. Our tachometer coming off and on where we want it, the brightness of our shift light, the frequency of our shift light, and exit back out of that beast. Then we go into racetrack setup. That's going to be more fun. We can run our lap timer, have it hold for 3 seconds. We got 10 seconds, best lap in progress, trigger automatic, pit limiter on and off. That's just a bunch of good track stuff for us there. And we exit that setup menu. Bada bing, bada boom. Back to our home screen, tachometer, speedometer, gear indicator, and fuel gauge. So let's give her a start. Tank pad, custom seat, which is the comfort seat, and the seat cowl. Fender eliminator already on the bike. Comes factory with forged wheels and a Krapovich muffler.
Yeah.